Hi professionals! Today we're going to get a tour of how to bid on projects posted by clients. So, let's get started. On the homepage, click on the Browse Project, which brings you to a list of projects posted by the clients. On the left side. You can find Categories option, which acts a filter. Choose according to your need and browse through the projects. Click on the arrow icon on the project, which leads you to the detailed description of the project, where you can place your bid and also see proposals of other professionals down below along with their estimated price. Scroll up and under the budget, you'll find a bid icon. Click on the bid icon and a pop-up menu will appear asking you to fill your price and a description. After doing so, click on Submit. And your project has been posted. You can also view the projects where you've placed your bid by clicking on the profile icon and going on the My Bids option, which after opening up shows you all the projects with a bid placed by you.